Okay, so in this video, I'm going to quickly define populations and what population ecology studies. So when we talk about populations, here we have a population of squirrels living in, here we just see them pictured in an oak tree. But when we talk about squirrel population, a population is defined as members of the same species who live in a defined area. So here, these could be squirrels that live in Big Bear, California. Now, this is different than saying just like the squirrels, because here, squirrels is a very general term, and you don't really know where that population starts or ends. So it's easier when you define it into an actual space. So if you said you're an ecologist studying squirrels in Sequoia National Park, now you have your boundaries of where to study and collect data on that squirrel population. Okay, and now for population ecology though, what we're really looking at is how biotic or living factors, as well as abiotic or the non-living factors, influence density of a population, distribution or dispersion patterns of a population, and the size of a population. And so it's important to kind of realize or understand that members of a population are all going to rely on the same resources. So the squirrels in this tree here are all relying on the same tree to provide acorns or food to get them through wintertime. They're going to rely on the same environment for shelter or escape from predators. They're going to rely on the same water sources. So there's going to be lots of competition between the members of this population. In population ecology, we also see how different environmental factors can influence population dynamics and population sizes, etc. So similar environmental factors could be things like drought or the opposite, increased rainfall. Like if you have like an enormous amount of rain one year, well, then the plants are going to do better. And because squirrels are herbivores, maybe their population size will increase, right? Or maybe it's extreme heat waves or forest fires, etc. And so here, the members of this population are all going to be influenced by similar environmental factors, and then those will play a role in this population size. And then it's also important to realize that they're likely to breed and interact together. And that leads to either populations increasing or decreasing. Okay, so that is my quick little intro into populations.